How's it going? This is Hollow Soul 84. We'll do a little toolbox tour. This is my first video ever posting to YouTube, so y'all bear with me. I'm doing this from my phone. It's a Mac 34 by 20 bottom. I think a 32 by 18 top. I'm not exactly sure. It's an old box. I've been a machinist since 2004. This is my dad's old box. He was a mechanic all my life. So just gonna do a quick toolbox tour and let y'all see what's in there. I work in Louisiana. Right now it's about 32, 33 degrees outside. It's really cold for Louisiana. But let's do this tour. Let's start with the small drawers first. Cobalt set. I got this yesterday. 3 channel locks and a little 5-piece plier set. Nothing too spectacular. Different drawer. Pitch checkers and a morphodite caliper and some drill point gauges and old set of squares and basic mirror and a little magnet on a stick. 2 small protractors and a fishtail. A little cup back there. I got a little story. Try to keep a little toy in each drawer. Some files, file card. And I try to keep a toy in every drawer because when I got this box from my dad after he passed away, he had a couple of toys, like a little bug, a little plastic bug. And I kind of kept with that theme. I don't know why. I guess just kind of my own personal reasons. Some braze tools back there, and a couple of small braze tools, a pack of inserts, OSG females. This is what we use at the shop. High-speed steel, miscellaneous screws, more inserts, thread mill inserts. Spades, there's a burr set back there, combination set, standards for my mics. It's a Starrett combination set, telescoping gauges, radius gauges, screwdrivers, random drawer, pins, junk blow-up box back there. Fowler depth mics. I've had these since I first started doing machine work. They're actually only a couple only things I actually have. Brown and Sharp calipers. Starrett depth calipers, flash cards. I run a CNC mills, scales, and the Brown and Sharp best test indicator back there. Magnifying glass I made the stand. Starrett 4-40s. It's a Blake coax indicator. It's kind of like my little setup drawer, I guess. Parallels and brass, jack bolts, sign bar that I never use, machinist jacks, SPI mics. I don't use a lot of OD mics, but I've had this set for, I don't know, about 10 years, and I like them. They're actually held. We get them calibrated, pretty regularly. The shop kind of calibrates them for us, and they're held up. This is the first machinist tool I ever gotten. This is a toolbox. This is a tool from my dad. It's a little 3-piece set of Mac tools. I got 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. There's a 0 to 1 back there. 24-inch Michi Toyos. This is the drawer that I don't want to organize, but one day I'm going to have to because I'm saving for a bigger toolbox right now. Just drills, end mills, taps, reamers, basic hand tools, bumping hammer, small rubber mallet. You see toy in there. Die grinder stuff. A cheap set of black oxide drills. I actually have a titanium nitride, titanium coated drills. I like those too. Those cut really well. I've had those for years. Rawhide hammer. There's a little funny story. I worked with an Indian guy, and he was using my rawhide hammer for a while, and I didn't think about telling him. I forgot, or when he found out that it was rawhide, he went and made a brass hammer. He only worked here for maybe a year, and he kind of saved up enough money to go back home to his home country. But before he left, he gave me that hammer, and I can't remember his name, but that was a little funny story. Die grinders and discs, cookie discs and wire wheels and basic stuff. Notepads, Machinist Bible, little ready reference under there. Peter Smith handbook. Actually, that's what helped me a lot. We do a lot of programming by hand. So the transfer punches, and I don't know if you've seen it in another drawer though. I got some transfer screws in there too. Two indicators. One's a little cheapo. I keep on a mill, and I think that's a Fowler. I got two more in the shop right now. That's a cheapo socket set. It's nothing. I don't even know where I got it from. Keep that in there. That's it, guys. I really nothing spectacular. I want a bigger box. I've quoted some. I got some money saved up that I just don't really know what I want to buy yet. So I'm looking at the 56-inch tool bolts right now in lime green. I'm not a big fan of the Kennedy boxes. They're really nice, but in my opinion, they're overpriced. This is the machine I run. It's a 130 HMK horizontal boring mill. Fanuc Controls Series 18i. So that's it, guys. It's Hollowed Soul. Y'all like and comment and see where this goes, and I'll get some more videos out there.